Turn off scientific notation in Excel. I would like to prevent Excel behavior that any large number I enter is stored as a number, then abbreviated to scientific notation. Is it possible to tell Excel 2007 to stop doing this?
Unfortunately, Excel does not allow you to turn this functionality off by default. However, if you select your data, right-click, and click Format Cells, and choose Number, you can stop Excel from changing your data to scientific notation.
This is inconvenient, yet effective, hack. Note, this is only really useful if you need to import the full number into another application, like Access, or provide the proper display. If you format the column in question as number, you can copy all correctly formatted numbers into Notepad. Then just create a new column formatted as text, and copy the Notepad representation into the new column.
Maybe scientific notation is one of the less useful Excel behavior. If you have a scientific notation in the A1 cell, you can't just use this formula to have a text formatted value in the B1 cell. Equals concatenate A1. This is an example of the results.
One workaround I use when pasting in tab-delimited data that contains long numeric codes is to set the cell format before I paste the data. If you're pasting into a blank sheet, select All, Ctrl+A. Format the cells as text, Ctrl+1 to bring up the Format menu. Paste your data, Ctrl+V. If you're pasting in a section, paste the tab-delimited data into Excel, and leave it as selected. Press the Delete key. This will delete the new data, but will keep the cells selected. Set the format of the selected cells to be text, Ctrl+1 to bring up Format menu. Paste the new data in again. It seems that Excel will leave the numeric codes alone if the cells are already set as text, but will otherwise treat them irreversibly as numbers.